Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create header for logged in users and logged out user. As you can see, the current tab this is an header for logged in user. Now let's copy this domain name and paste it to it where we are not yet logged in. Let's go to the incognito mode. Sorry for that. Now this is the header for logged out user. Now I'm going to teach you today how you can do this using WordPress and Elementor header and footer. Now we are in our WordPress dashboard. To get started, you need Elementor, and Elementor header and footer, and I hope you have done that. If you have done that, just head down to the appearance. You're going to see some options. You have theme, customize, widgets, menu, Elementor header and footer. You click on the Elementor header and footer. Now it takes you straight down here. You add new. When you add new, you're going to be having some options. Now you give it a name. I'm going to name this one log out. Log out header. Now type of template, I'm going to name it a header. Display on entire website. User role logged out. Now then you edit with Elementor. Just take this away. Now it seems my Elementor is slowing down. I think it's because of the connection. Okay, we're done here. So now you can start your editing from here. I'm not going to be customizing the header that much, just some basic things. If you want to know more about how to design a very visual appealing header, you can simply follow my channel to know more. Okay, now we're going to add a logo. Let's add a logo. Our logo is already there. Let's customize it so it can the next is menu. I'm going to make this very basic to save our time. Button, I'm going to name this login, and also add another button which I'm going to name sign in. This we can make the vertical alignment in the middle, so everything will be in the middle. I think this is the header that is going to be showing when a user is not yet logged in. So now we publish this. If we publish this is going to be appearing on the entire website when a user is not yet logged in. Now let's head to design our second header, which is the login header. Now we name this login header. Template type header. Display on entire website. User role login. Then we'll head down straight towards edit with Elementor. Now when you go to your Elementor dashboard, you design, just give it a design you want to show. Maybe you want some certain set of element on your header. When users are logged in, you input it there. But first, let's get to the Elementor interface. Now I'm just going to be changing one thing here, which will be the button. Now this is going to be logo, site logo. And I think we've done this earlier. Just menu, navigation menu. It's not showing here. And also, I'm just going to be inputting one button here, It should be the logout, logout. Then make this what? Okay, vertical alignment. Everything should be in middle. Then you publish this. Now let's copy. So now let's copy this domain name and check how our header looks like when we are logged in. So now when you paste your header here, and when we paste here, where is it? Here to set up any pages, just set up the menu. So these are the header looks like when we are logged in. So now let's check our header when we're logged out. How do we do that? Let's go to the incognito mode where we are not yet logged in. Okay, so I think if this video helps you, simply give me a follow and a like. Thanks. I appreciate you for watching this.